Hey, it's Brittany, your Houston Realtor. We're here in Fresno, Texas today, taking a look at a builder called Long Lake, and they're super popular here in Houston. They're really growing, and they are really growing their presence in multiple areas throughout our Houston area. And so we're here in Fresno, taking a look at some of their plans and the model home, all under $400,000. I think they have a great price point here in Fresno. Of course, they have other communities and other plans and different collections, but here I think the price point is really a popular one. So we are going to take a look at the model home here in Fresno, and let me know what you think at the end. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who are moving to the Houston area. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. I am a real estate agent here in Houston and happy to be a resource for you. So reach out. My contact information will be below. If you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, welcome to the community of Winfield. Long Lake is the primary builder here, and we're looking at the model, the 145 plan. It's a 2-story, 2172 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths. There's a game room on the 2nd floor with a 2-car garage. One of the things I really like about Long Lake throughout the city of Houston is their pricing for what you actually get. I think it's great, and their quality is really good here. The inventory homes that they have available in this plan are going for about $385,000, $390s right now. Let me know if you have interest and what you think in this plan. Enjoy.